So today I want to show you how to crochet this very cute little vest. I did this in a multicolor with a moss stitch and then a unicolor on the ribbing on all edges. I will show you from start to finish exactly how to crochet this vest. So let's begin. First, a little about the materials. For the brim, I have used this mega ball from Hobbii in this pink color. And then for the main part of the vest, I've used this beautiful yarn, and the color of this yarn is the same as one of the colors in this one. This is from Hobbii as well, and it's called Horizon. You can see the info of it right here. And this is the main color. I will of course write down in the description which yarn this is and where you can find it. Then I have used a 4mm hook and a tapestry needle and some scissors. We begin with the brim on the bottom, and we begin with this solid pink color. First we make a slip knot. And then we chain 8, the yarn over, pull through 8 times in total. Okay. So now you skip the first chain and move on to the second one. Then you work a single crochet into this. And then a single crochet into the next. And then work a single crochet into each chain all the way across. And that's row 1. Now you chain 1 and turn. And then you work a back loop single crochet into the next stitch. So skip your turning chain and then do a single crochet into the back loop of the next stitch. And then work 1 back loop single crochet in each stitch all the way across. And that's row 2. This is the row we will be repeating again and again. So you yarn over and pull through to make a chain. And then you repeat row 2. So you work a back loop single crochet into the next stitch. And into the next. Just keep repeating a back loop single crochet in each stitch. And then work your way back and forth for a long row. When we have 65 rows, it looks like this. And this is the part of the front. So now I will change the color. So I will cut the yarn. And then I will begin with this yarn. So I grab from the middle. And this is the same color as this one. So I will begin crocheting just a little bit with this color so I can change yarn. I will just chain 1 to get started. And then I will do 1 single crochet in each of the rows. So you have a row here, and you have a row in between here, and here, and here. So the first one will be in between the rows here, so a single crochet. And then the next one is this one, so you just push in your hook. And then grab the yarn, and then I will do a color change right now. Just pull it through. Of course, I'm having trouble with this one. Like that. So just before I pull through the last one, I will change the color. So I will grab this yarn to pull through with the last one. So just grab the yarn and pull through. And put this aside. And then make the next single crochet into this. And then into this one. Into this bump. So just 1 single crochet in each of the rows all the way across. So it will look like this all the way to the end. So you will end up with having 65 single crochet along this brim. And when we're all the way across, we chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and then we turn. And then we skip the 3 chains and work a single crochet in the next. And then we chain 1. And then we skip a stitch and work a single crochet in the next. Then chain 1. Then work a single crochet in the next after you skip 1. And then chain 1. then skip the next stitch, and then a single crochet, and then chain 1, skip 1, 1 single crochet in the next, and then you repeat this all the way across. Chain 1, skip 1, 1 single crochet. And then when you're across, you chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then you turn the work, and then you work a single crochet into the first gap in between the stitches. So you chained 1 and created all these gaps between the stitches. These are the ones we will be working in. So you just insert the hook into the first gap and single crochet. And then you chain 1 and then single crochet into the next gap. And then chain 1, single crochet into the next gap. Chain 1, single crochet into the next gap. And you just repeat all the way across. And when you make it all the way across, you work a single crochet into the final gap all the way out here in the chain 3 you worked, and then you finish with a chain 3, turn, and work a single crochet in the first gap. So just repeat back and forth with this row repeat. I did 22 centimeters counting from the brim, and now I will make the gaps for the arms. So up here I've crocheted all the way until the 6th gap, so you count this one as a gap and this one as a gap, 6 gaps in, and stop crocheting there. And this measures 5 centimeters. So 5 centimeters in the 6th gap, you stop crocheting. And then we just turn there instead of at the edge. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we turn. And then we do as usual. So we do a single crochet in the next gap, and then chain 1, then a single crochet in the next gap, and then chain 1 and a single crochet in the next gap. So from now on we will just count this as the edge instead of going all the way out here. So crochet back and forth with this edge up. So this is your last stitch, excuse me, and then you return. I just prepared for the other side as well, where you will do the same thing. I counted 6 gaps in and put in a stitch marker, and I know this will be my last stitch. So I crochet all the way over here, make this the last stitch, then turn and work your way back and forth, so you will work up from here. And I continue until this upper part measures around 10 centimeters. Now I want to do a little bit in both sides for the shoulders. So I will turn like always with 3 chains, then turn, and then I will do 3 single crochet as with the moss stitch. So just 1 single crochet in the first gap, then chain 1, then a single crochet in the next gap, then chain 1, and then a single crochet in the next gap. So just 3 single crochet. This will be a very, very thin strap, but remember there will be a brim out here and a brim in here for the neck as well. So it will be a big strap. Just chain 3, and then turn, and then we repeat. Chain 1, single crochet. So we will do a couple of these rows back and forth, and we will do it over here as well. So we will make a strap over here and a little strap over here. So you will just attach the yarn 3 gaps in and then make the strap over here just like you do it over here. When you finished both straps, you are done with your front piece. Now you will do your back piece, so you will start all over and begin again and work another piece just like it. So you have 2 pieces alike. Then you will put them on top of each other like this, and then you will sew it together. So you sew up here by the shoulders, only the straps you'll sew together, and then from the armpit and down to the hip. So this will be open and this will be open, and then the neck will be open as well. When you sewn it all together, you will now turn it around. So you will have this on the inside. And then we have the vest. Now I will do a ribbing. So I will do a ribbing here, here, and here. And I will begin with a row of single crochet all along the edge. So in this gap, this, and this, I will do exactly the same thing. So right now I will show you right here, and then you will just do the same up here and over here. So I will grab my pink yarn, like I used on the brim on the bottom, and then I will get my hook and pull up a loop, attach the yarn with a little knot, insert my hook, pull up a loop, and then I will work one single crochet all along the edge. So I will just insert the hook and single crochet. Insert the hook in the next, single crochet. So just work one single crochet in an edge all around this one. So after that you can work a ribbing into these. It's just so it gets a little bit more even. I work this single crochet. When you're all around the edge, we will now begin the ribbing. And I will start with a single crochet in the first single crochet you did just to finish the round over here. And then I will do 5 chains. So yarn over and pull through 5 times. That's 3, 4, and 5. Then skip your first chain and work a single crochet in the next. And a single crochet in the next. So that's 2. And another one, 3. And the final one, so you have 4 single crochet. And then you'll do a slip stitch down here at the bottom of the work. So in the next stitch over here, you insert the hook and work a slip stitch. And in the next one as well, you will work a slip stitch. So 2 slip stitches at the bottom. Then you turn the work. And then we will begin working up the ribbing again. So you skip the 2 slip stitches, just pretend they don't exist, and go to the third and work a back loop, single crochet into this, and then a back loop, single crochet into the next, a back loop, single crochet, and in the final one a back loop, single crochet. And then you chain 1, turn, and then we work down the ribbing again. You skip your turning chain, work a back loop, single crochet into the next, and a back loop, single crochet in all the other 3. So all the way down the ribbing here, you'll work a back loop, single crochet, and then on the bottom of the work down here, you will work a slip stitch in the next stitch, and a slip stitch in the next. Then you turn the whole thing and work up along the ribbing again. And again, you will skip the 2 slip stitches. Just pretend they don't exist. Just jump right over to the third one and work a back loop, single crochet into this, and a back loop, single crochet. And then you just continue working back and forth, and you see this beautiful ribbing becoming, which sits on the edge of your work. And then you'll just continue all until you are all the round here. And when you're all the way around, you make a final slip stitch in the next stitch down below, just to connect the 2 ends of the brim. Then I cut the yarn and leave a bit for sewing, and then pull this one through. And then I like to sew the rest with my tapestry needle. You can, of course, just crochet the last one together here, but I don't know, I like to do it with my tapestry needle. So I have the right side out, so I want to sew this on the inside. So I sew the 2 edges of the brim together with my tapestry needle like this. I think For me, it gives the best result, and I don't know how to do it prettier with my crochet hook. So I just sew this all along the edge and a little extra on top just to keep it good and strong. And then I weave in this end on the back. I will do that in a minute. So now I have this. So now you see you have this brim all the way around. So now repeat this up here and over here, where you do a single crochet all the way around the edge, and then do this ribbing as well. And then when it's all done, you have this very cute little vest. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!